The first part of the series will honor the late Joan Rivers. It'll air on April Fool's Day on the 13 network. The series will also honor greats like Kathy Griffin, Lily Tomlin, Sarah Silverman, and Don Rickles.
All right, time now for your Acura Strictly Business Report. A giant glass slide is now in place 70 stories above downtown LA. Take a look at that. The one-of-a-kind attraction will allow visitors to slide from the 70th floor to the 69th floor while getting an amazing view of downtown. Riders will land on a 360-degree observation deck on the 69th floor. It will cost $8 to ride the slide, in addition to the $25 admission fee to the observation deck. It opens on June 25th. Scary.
Yeah. When it comes to young people buying SUVs, it appears bigger is better. Ford says its midsize SUV, the Explorer, is more popular than the compact Escape with so-called millennials, people between the ages of 25 and 34. Now, it was believed that they preferred smaller, less expensive SUVs, but Ford says older millennials are now moving to the suburbs and having children.
Beyonce is breaking barriers in the modeling world. Earlier this week, the singer cast a model with muscular dystrophy as the lead in her new Formation merchandise campaign. The singer, along with model Jillian Mercado, are making a statement about the inclusion of models with disabilities.
All right, time for another check of the weather. Craig Allen.
Here we go again.
Yeah,
One more time, maybe?
I mean, flip-flops on last week.
I know. And you know what? By the time we get to the middle of this week, you're going to be wearing the shorts again and short sleeves, because by the middle of next week coming up, it'll be back in the 60s, even near 70. But I'm getting way ahead of myself. Let's take a look at today's high temperatures that we had out there this afternoon. It was in the mid-40s. Now, this is a little bit of a throwback because the normal high should be closer to 51 degrees for this time of year. You can see it was in the mid-40s, and we are right now at 44. Streets are dry in New York City, the humidity 28%, and a light east-northeasterly breeze at 3 miles per hour. Temperatures around our region are ranging from the mid-30s, northwest Jersey on up into the Hudson Valley, as well as the Jersey Shore. Close to freezing as you head on out to a notoriously cold spot, West Hampton, when the sky is clear at night and the winds are calm, basically. And it's around or a little over 40 degrees elsewhere. Now, we had clouds, and we have some breaks in those clouds. Notice to the north of the city how the cloud line is dropping down, so it's clear or clearing out. And this rain that we had to the south of us here, that's going to stay to the south, pass on by. This is only one part of the system. Actually, it's the lead part of this system, and it's a good thing that it's completely separate from what's going to come along for tomorrow night and into Monday morning, because if it had all gathered together into one, then we may have had more to talk about. It would have been more important. But we take this energy here, additional moisture coming on up from the south, and you put them all together, and you do have some snow and probably rain coming in during the day tomorrow and right on into tomorrow night. So this is how it plays out. This is your Sunday. A wintry mix develops mid to late day. It's daylight when it starts. It is late March. The sun angle is higher, and temperatures are going to be above the freezing mark. So when you take a look at that, anything that comes down tomorrow is not going to stick during the day. The road should stay wet. Then it gets a little bit heavier during Sunday night. That's when it'll probably stick, and then the storm clears on out on Monday. This is all the different weather maps. I'm bombarding you with numbers right now, but this particular model indicating under an inch for the city on north and west, and anywhere from 2 to 4 as you head on to the east of the city and northeast into Connecticut. This was recently updated. This originally had very, very little. It backed in again a little bit, the GFS model. So now you're talking about, you could get 4 inches or more the farther east you go for tomorrow night into Monday morning's commute. And this is the one that was predicting almost a foot of snow last week. That's why you never take a look at these things when they're 2, 3, 4 days away. This now is back in that 1 to 2 to 3 inch range for Monday morning. This is what we're thinking. A coating to an inch or two for most of the area, 2 to 4 inches, the highest amounts, eastern Long Island and southeast Connecticut. And then it clears on out, and for the rest of the week, we're doing okay. Mostly sunny on Tuesday, and temperatures are already moderating. So 32 tonight, a mainly cloudy sky, 20s in the suburbs. Tomorrow, only in the 30s. It's a cold day with that wind coming in off the ocean, and basically the clouds clouds thickening up. The wintry mix will be developing in the afternoon. This is the official alert right now. It's a winter weather advisory for Nassau and Suffolk and a winter storm watch for the eastern part of Long Island in case the storm is close enough to give you the 4 inches or more of snowfall. Here is the 7-day forecast, and you can see that we're looking at mid and upper 30s tomorrow. By the time the storm pulls away during the day on Monday, the temperature rebounds really fast. It's back up close to 50, and it's near 50 on Tuesday as well. And right in the middle of the week, there's your springtime. You wanted it to come back. It's back. It'll be in the mid 60s Wednesday, Thursday, and even Friday is close to 60 degrees. So this is that one little thing coming up for it tomorrow. It's like an anomaly, and it's right there in the middle, and then the rest of the week will turn into springtime once again.
I've already changed my sheets to the spring look. You know what I mean?
Sheets, clothing, everybody back into the drawer in the closet again. Take it out one more time.
All right, thanks, Craig.
All right, well, you know, pro skateboarder Richie Jackson has taken the internet by storm with some of his unique tricks and even more unique look. Skateboarder Richie Jackson recently released a new video for death skateboards, and his skills have everyone talking and holding their breath, obviously. Whether he's sliding down a spiral staircase on top of a plastic barrier or doing conventional flip tricks, this guy is phenomenal. Speaking of phenomenal.
This is Craig Treadway's favorite story, okay, of the evening. Rihanna's song Work has everyone dancing at the clubs, at the gyms, in their cars, but one little guy is going viral for twerking in his living room. Check it out.
Hit it.
Work, 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 work. You see me heavy work, 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 work. You see me do me that.
Craig has very similar
I can't get
moves.
enough of this guy.
Yes, that baby pig is shaking his tail feather. It's probably the cutest twerking video to ever be posted on YouTube,
Well,
unless you upload yours.
I love jerk pork, but now I love twerk pork even better.
Oh my
A
gosh.
cute little guy. All right.
There is so much more ahead.
Yes, Darrell Joyner taking us inside the sport desk.
You got it. We're talking baseball, we're talking basketball, and we're talking NCAA. And we're also talking about the Mets ace, Matt Harvey, who had a rough day at the office in spring ball. Plus, the Knicks go to Washington, and the Rangers and Islanders and Devils skate on the frozen H2O. The PIX11 Sports Desk is coming your way.